So what these people wanted had been validated by God, but they did not hear it. They did not, in fact, not only did they not hear it, they did not like what they were hearing. So they said to Jesus, can you tell these guys to be quiet? How can this man riding on the back of a donkey be the king that they had been expecting? It's almost as if God wanted to spite them on the back of a donkey. Listen, if Jesus Christ had rode into Jerusalem on the wings of the wind, would anybody have doubted that he was the king? But that is not the way God works. This man that sat down, chilled with shady people, with women who were for the streets, men that were, sauce. He sat down with prostitutes, tax collectors. Nah, this could not be the king who was going to rule with righteousness. He was there in their midst, and they did not see him because he did not have the appearance of what they thought a king would be.